famous author once said, "The best way to make children good is to make them happy." Wish you a very happy Children's Day. Dear students, welcome to the virtual celebration of Children's Day. During these difficult times, what remains constant is your energy and our enthusiasm. The pandemic definitely doesn't dampen our spirit to celebrate with you. Whether it was the craze for showing the new pen you bought to your friend, or to distribute sweets or toffees on your birthday along with your best friend, childhood always holds a very special place in the corner of our hearts. Whether you have lived your childhood or you are still in it, one thing is certain: we all are children at our hearts. Now, let me take you on a journey. A special program has been prepared for all of you. So let's start today's celebration. I request Bhavna ma'am to tell us something about Children's Day.
Thank you, Chavi ma'am. Good morning, dear children. Today we are celebrating Children's Day. Every year on November 14, we celebrate this day as a tribute to our beloved Prime Minister Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, who was born in Allahabad in 1889. He was our first and longest serving Prime Minister. His father was Mr. Motilal Nehru and mother was Swarup Rani Nehru. His father was well-known and wealthy barrister of that time who belonged to Kashmiri Pandit community. Jawahar ji was eldest of 3 children. Barrister by profession, he was a man of vision who participated in a long struggle for the freedom of our country. Nehru ji's love and affection for children is a well-known fact. He always considered children as a real strength for any country. Children lovingly called him Chacha Nehru. Nehru ji once said that children are just like birds in a garden who should be carefully and lovingly nurtured, as they are strength of a nation and citizen of tomorrow. He always emphasized on good education of children and played a major role in the establishment of educational institute in our country. So children, you should try to live by the standard of Chacha Nehru. This day also reminds us to protect and support our children by giving them good education. We should try to understand our children as they are a gift of God towards us with a good soul. Here I would like to conclude with one of saying of Chacha Nehru, आज के बच्चे कल का भारत बनाएंगे, आज के बच्चे कल का भारत बनाएंगे, जिस तरह से हम उन्हें लाएंगे वो देश का भविष्य निर्धारित करेगा। आप सभी को बाल दिवस की बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं। धन्यवाद।
Thank you ma'am for your insightful words. We teachers have a very special surprise just for you. Don't go for the perfection, feel the emotions. it was mesmerizing. I hope you all enjoyed the performance. You have no idea how much we teachers miss each one of you. Well, I'm sure you must be excited to know what exactly do we miss about you. Come, let's watch. Whoever said there is no shortcut to happiness didn't know one secret, and that is dancing. So come along with me, I'll take you to a happy world. dear teachers, for that delightful performance. Students must be enjoying themselves. Dear students, words cannot express how grateful we are for your presence in our lives. You brighten up our lives. We are because you are. Thank you for being our stars. We cherish each moment spent with you. Thank you for giving us this opportunity to be a part of your lives and shape the future of our country. I cannot conclude this program without heartfelt thanks to our directors, Shri Raman Raja Khanna sir and Shri Vijay Kumar Gulati sir, our principal Miss Vibha Khanna ma'am, our academic director Miss Renu Srivastav ma'am, our HM Miss Shivani Tripathi ma'am, our coordinators, and a special thanks to Miss Mridula Mukhopadhyay ma'am for giving me this wonderful opportunity to wish you all a very happy Children's Day. Always stay safe, happy, healthy, and blessed. Have a wonderful day ahead. Thank you, dear students, and once again wish you all a very happy Children's Day.